Welcome to Montana Matters. We're joined by Tim Baldwin. He is a criminal defense attorney for the Baldwin law firm. We want to thank you so much for joining us today. We want to know more about exactly what you do as a criminal defense attorney. Why did you become a criminal defense attorney?
Well, the bottom line is that I want to protect people's rights. I started out as a prosecutor in Florida when I was a young attorney, and during that process I saw that there was a great need for good criminal defense attorneys. So in 2006, I began my criminal defense firm in Florida. Now I'm in Montana and I'm continuing to do that.
Okay, and what types of cases do you take?
Actually, if anybody's been charged with a crime, I handle those cases. I'm a trial attorney, so if they've been charged with an assault or maybe a DUI or possibly a criminal endangerment, I handle a wide variety of cases.
Okay, so really helping people, making sure that there's justice in society. What do you consider a success as a criminal defense attorney?
Well, I like to think of it as a scope of success, really. Not every case is going to result in a dismissal, but some will. Obviously, a dismissal is success, but in a lot of cases, it's a matter of just making sure that the system is fair, that the prosecutors are treating the clients fairly, that they're not overcharging them, that the judge is not going to over-sentence them. So there's just a wide variety of things that we have to do as criminal defense attorneys to make sure that the system itself is treating them fairly.
Okay, and what should people look for in a criminal defense attorney?
Well, certainly knowledge, skills, knowing how to take a case to trial, knowing how to conduct a jury trial, but also there's this intangible element I think that clients need to have in their attorneys, and that is a trust element. They need to know that their attorney is going to fight for them, is going to do what's right for them, and is going to look out for their interests.
Okay, so that trust between you and the client, very important.
Very important, indeed.
Okay, and how do criminal defense attorneys benefit society?
Well, I alluded to it earlier, but they are there to make sure that the system is treating the clients fairly. I mean, if you had a system that was run only by prosecutors, that would be an imbalanced system. So the defense attorneys are there, and they're supposed to be making sure the law is followed, that the police are doing their investigations properly, that there's not evidence that's being twisted or skewed or made to look in a way that really is not reality, and to make sure that the judges know all the facts so they can make an appropriate decision.
Okay, and this is something that you are very passionate about, you know, making sure that things are balanced. Tell us a little bit more about maybe some of the most rewarding parts of your job.
Well, it's when you see somebody who is being charged with potentially a serious crime, and then you look at the case and you say, this is not as serious as the prosecutor is making it out to be. And so you're able to work out a resolution that doesn't cause a person to lose his job or cause a person to have to pay exorbitant amount of fines or even serve jail or prison time. And so putting a buffer between you and the prosecution and the police is, to me, tremendously rewarding to make sure that people are not unjustly prosecuted.
All right, well, we want to thank you so much, Tim, for joining us today. If you'd like more information about the Baldwin Law Firm, we'd invite you to give them a call. The phone number is 406-601-1111. You can visit their website at baldwinjustice.com. And thanks so much for joining us. Thank you for supporting local business.